3D printed Glock 19. Here are a few tactical gloves and super desire for motorcyclists, health lovers, cyclists, and people who need to shield themselves extra efficaciously. For $12, the vendor gives alloy metal inserts, anti-slip silicone coating at the palms, breathable cloth and Velcro on the wrist for smooth adjustment. Plus, in theory, your hands will tire much less whilst using a motorbike or bike. In addition, there are traditional and fingerless gloves. The former permits you to apply your cell phone without casting off your gloves. The index finger is complemented via way of means of a unique insert. T4 EHDP50. Do you recognize which international locations have the very best crime rate? According to an international database, in early 2002, the pinnacle three had been Venezuela, Papua New Guinea, and Afghanistan. But in lots of different international locations, there also are comparable problems. So this non-lethal self-defense weapon can emerge as very popular because it combines simplicity, affordability, and effectiveness. It lets in firing pepper spray pellets. Folding combat axe. The following is a changed model of a Navy identity tag. Normally, those K9 tags convey an identity range and different data. However, these days this feature is likewise available. For $85, clients should purchase a key-size tag with a 1-inch lengthy detachable blade. Inside, the product weighs much less than 2 ounces, making it the lightest metal tactical knife within the world, in line with the creators. In addition, the version comes with a lifetime warranty. If something breaks, you could go back your buy and get an unfastened replacement. Considering that the corporation raised over $82,000 on Kickstarter, there are positive to be lots of human beings keen to shop for it. Firestorm JPX 4-shot compact pepper spray gun. What is so uncommon approximately this knife? Just like in a video game, it has a unique function and electric-powered attack, and it is in fact a stun gun. Only the producer has selected a totally uncommon layout. All you need to do is contact your opponent with any part of the blade, and they'll be immobilized. In addition, the stun gun emits the unique sounds that could scare off the intruder and save you a half place from breaking out. The layout additionally consists of an area for a couple of diodes so that you can use it as a flashlight. A charging cable and a holster are included, and the fee for the set is $90. Proteget self-defense belt. The mag holds 6 of them. Standard 0.3 or 0.4 ounce KO2 cartridges are used, and the firing variety is 45 to 60 feet. The fee is approximately $100. Mad Bike gloves. This is a sophisticated pepper spray that costs $150. The specifications are impressive. Quite a number as much as 23 feet effectiveness, no matter climate conditions, and 4 cartridges may be loaded at a time. Each cartridge incorporates a unique compound that efficaciously stops attackers without inflicting irreparable harm to their health. The fundamental substances are steel and plastic, and a number of the variations of the weapon have been supplemented with a built-in laser sight. An outstanding product for self-defense, assures the vendor. However, the weapon weighs 12 ounces, and its dimensions are enforcing its 7.23 inches lengthy. Therefore, to assault via way of means of surprise, you should be creative. Shock knife. How powerful do you suspect mild is in self-defense? Let's do some experiment. If you are now no longer geared up or are touchy to mild, near your eyes or speedy ahead the video. 3, 2, 1, cross. The authors of this machine provide a far extra effective option. They promise that the impact is similar to brief blindness, and the flashes reason disorientation and stress. The machine weighs 3 ounces, suits flawlessly within the hand, and isn't taken into consideration a weapon. It additionally seems like a flashlight, which provides in detail of surprise. It has a complete battery that lets in for 3 hours of non-stop use and emits 15 flashes in line with second. The handiest trouble is that the contraption is almost vain inside the sunlight hours and handiest works in limited areas, including subway cars. Things failed to cross nicely on Kickstarter either. Each version cost $50, and the creator's handiest raised $525 of the projected $220. Mini Glock 17. The Glock 19 pistol became first added in 1988 and continues to be in production. This weapon could be very famous amongst regulation enforcement officers, and it is sudden to peer that, thank you to trendy technology, nearly every person can construct their very own model of the pistol with the assist of a 3D printer. In addition, this approach additionally makes it feasible to adjust the weapons. This video suggests a challenge referred to as Banana Standard. It consists of numerous published elements, including frames, in addition to weapons assembled nearly completely from published parts. The creator notes that the white model is withstood extra than 200 pictures, and the yellow one extra than 100. However, a number of the exams are downright dangerous, so the writer advises visitors to be cautious and prefers now no longer to percentage the documents for printing. Dacilla, another HID deliver option. This is a knife included right into a belt buckle. The writer notes that the deal with is cushy, and there are folding and monolithic models. The locking device continues the knife firmly in place. However, it is able to be pulled out with an unmarried movement. Plus, way to its very appealing layout, you will be capable of put on this belt to a celebration or any formal event. Unfortunately, the writer's internet site isn't available, so the fee stays a mystery. How a good deal might you be inclined to pay? Bomberco B2 Dog Tag. Next up, here's a miniature replica of the Glock 17. Similar souvenirs may be observed nearly everywhere. The capability of those small weapons relies upon charge and craftsmanship. Many variations have removable magazines and bolts. They normally cannot be fired. However, a few YouTube lovers are assured that this will be remedied. Very less expensive fashions are available. Prices begin at $8 and $0.50. This model is 3 inches lengthy and has 10 pieces. Not a terrible present for gun lovers.